Hi guys, how are we doing? Welcome to the channel. What we're going to do this episode is a little bit different than what I had planned. I was going to plan to show you how to build these corbels on the end of the gables, but unfortunately sometimes things just don't go to plan. So this is what actually happened. Right, so what I'm planning on doing is taking probably 1, 2, 3 courses out around about this much back, and on the underside I'm just going to be taking this one course out, but well, I'll end up cutting these few here out, so it's going to be a bit of a take out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to step it out 2 ways. As you look at it from this angle, I'm going to step coming from here, stepping it 1, 2, 3, so it's going to go 1, 2, 3, and then this top course here is going to come right to the stop focusing on my hand. It's going to come up to the fascia and then follow it right the way up, and then we're going to go up with it. That's the plan for that. And on this side I'm going to have it stepping out probably a brick's worth this way, so it's going to corbel this way out, and it's also going to corbel this way out. And then when we get up to the top here, we're going to have that strip going up, that denture course going all the way up here. So I'm going to concentrate on this section, get it all nice and done, so I know exactly what I'm doing for the rest of the build, and we're going to go from there. So first things first is we have got to take this bit of brickwork down. I never like taking brickwork down, but for this case I didn't really know what I wanted to do. Now we've got this down, we're going to start putting it back in again, but corbelling it out, making it look, this is going to look proper nice when it's done, I reckon. So I'll set you guys up again, and like I said, I'm just going to make this up as I go along. I know that we've got 3 courses coming up to the underside here, and then the one's going out the front. I'm going to corbel them out 50mm each time, 56.6mm, but who's counting, eh? So 55mm, call it, out each course up to here, and then this side is coming out. I'll probably come out 25mm each time, because I want it to be a full brick width out by the time I've come out those 3 courses. So what's that? Yeah, 33 point whatever it is mil each time coming out this way. So yeah, it'd be coming out this way more than this way, but no, it should look proper nice. So yeah, let's jump on that and let's get laying. Right, so it turns out that this video is just going to show that not everything goes according to plan. I think I tried to step this out too much too quick, and it's just completely not working. This was all about to fall off, this whole thing. Oops, Christ, I'm falling off. This whole section was about to just stack it out. I had it up to here, all the way up to here, the whole thing was just falling over. So I don't think I'm going to step this out anywhere near as much as I wanted by a brick. I'm going to come out a fraction. I'm probably going to come out in total about half as much as I did before. We're probably looking at coming about half a brick. Maybe up here I might step out a little bit more, but I doubt it. So I'm just going to rip this all out, the whole thing, and just start all over again. This isn't turning out to be the sort of video that I wanted to put up, but I think this needed to be put up just to go to show that sometimes you have hiccups like this. More than a hiccup, like I said, I didn't plan this out, I winged it. In hindsight, that was probably not the best thing to do. It's Friday now, so I'm going to come back fresh mind, start doing this again Monday. Right, so I'm not going to let this get the better of me. I've rebuilt this little section we got up to. I'm going to leave this over the weekend to dry, so then we can start stepping it over. I want that 100mm this way, and I want it this way. So if I want it, I'm going to make it happen. The best way I can see about doing it is let it go off for a few days. If it means I have to do the whole lot, do it in 2 stages, do it one step like this and the next step on top of it, then so be it. But I'm not going to let physics get in the way of me getting what I want. So I'm going to try this out. I'm not 100% happy with it because I've smudged all the brickwork. It looks a bit rough, but I'm going to let it go off, see if I can just scrape the little bits of smudge off, or maybe a bit of brick acid in there just to clean it up. But I'm persistent and I'm going to do this. So don't give up on your goals. Even if they are just putting a few corbels out on the end of a brick gable. We're going to do this. Yeah, you see what I mean about smudges? I proper smudged the bejesus out of that. That's not so bad. Under here there's a smudge along here. And also what I've just noticed is where I've cut that brick, it might be a bit dark there, the cut side's on there so you can see the cut. Yeah, look, smudged all the front of that brick up. A little bit of a smudge under there. This pointing ain't the best. Again, a bit of a smudge here. I mean, I've seen a lot worse, that's for sure. I've done a lot worse as well. Yeah, I'm not happy about all these smudges, and that obviously is the cut brick. But I'm going to leave it at this and see if I can pull something out of the bag on Monday when that's gone off. Right, so leave a like down below if you like this video, subscribe if you aren't already, and remember, comment away. Let me know, give me your ideas. I need some help on this, boys and girls. Let me know down in the comments what you can do to help me here. Am I going the right way about this, or should I rip it down and just do it completely differently? Should I not bother corbelling it out? Anyway, let me know. And take care, and I'll see you guys